Hegakula, hegatea, Hegakula, hegatea, Hegakula, hegatea. Fili whakalataha e pulu manu. Hegakula, hegatea, Hegakula, hegatea. Whakamana ia pulu manu. Koe langi uaki ke tunga he langi. Koe langi kua motu o hina. Koe langi uaki que tu
Toli.
Mafana.
Haana nanukaki kuekikila kela Fulu ola kata ituna fisiku atupu Koi tamane tama fifine
nama ya Afine Huvalu. Falling nama ya Afine Huvalu. Takalali kali kali kali. Takalali kali kali kali. Eu afaito. Makamolo aqui é fonua. Muito tu fumacia hegatea. Niue Tau Malolo. Aula muito motutefua. Pui é fonua mau. Huvalu. Afine Huvalu. Mane asi mane afine. Tofulu fulu wala tamana inga boki. Falling nama ya Afine Huvalu. Takalali kali kali kali. Takalali kali kali kali. Eu afaito. Makamolo aqui é fonua. Muito tu fumacia hegatea. Niue Tau Malolo. Aula muito motutefua. Pui é fonua mau. Huvalu. Tofulu fulu wala tamana inga boki. Falling nama ya Afine Huvalu.
Koe maveheaga taua I lunga he mounga koe tēnā. Koe loto kia taua tungani e tapene take he waumui. Si hauma fuata ke koli fia fia taua he ponei. Fakaaue ni kahaku a koli moi fia fia. Tau fuata 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 tau tama Afine. Hanga mai la seo mata moe mana manatu. Si kumi kumi la si whakaonga la. Ho ilo ilo. Tau fi ke maue tau maveheaga. Koe tau maveheaga taua I lunga he mounga koe tēnā. Koe loto kia taua tungani e tapene take he waumui. Si hauma fuata ke koli fia fia taua he ponei. Fakaaue ni kahaku a koli moi fia fia. Tau fuata 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 tau tama Afine. Hanga mai la seo mata moe mana manatu. Si kumi kumi la si whakaonga la. Ho ilo ilo. Tau fi ke maue tau maveheaga. Tau fi ke maue tau maveheaga. Heke maika yo, tapiki mai neketo. Heke maika yo, tapiki mai neketo. Kalo mai kalo atu, oko boko e puhala tu. Tapiki mai neketo. Misiki yako e, si misiki hebo. O fai que neva taua.
ke oke lue lue. Heke maika yo, tapiki mai neketo. Heke maika yo, tapiki mai neketo. Kalo mai kalo atu, oko boko e puhala tu. Tapiki mai neketo. Misiki yako e, si misiki hebo. Afine, motutefua Niue, fia ke hoke lue lue. Heke maika yo, tapiki mai neketo. Heke maika yo, tapiki mai neketo. Heke maika yo, tapiki mai neketo.
Mana ko lahi au ke liwa tu heselinga siyaleta niwe hakumotufakaele maniwe Tangi, how, esino katoa, hofi hemanako, keli watu ukiako habili hematangi, how, esino katoa, hofi hemanako.
fiu iva aia lele lofa ua tau aso ile masiasi wa ole tiu fa amatala talule alofa ua to atoa pele ne ingaloita isau fa aswa pele ne ingaloita isau fa aswa Pahoho o te miti te avarua Ua tau titi hia ta uari I te tiare a petai Tiare una no to'u aia herehia e aue puturoa mata aia I matotea te nia te pua te raro pahoho Tiare a pentahi, tiare una oto'u aia herehia e aue uturoa mata aia I matotea te nia te pua te raro pahoho te nia te raro pahoho
Mari ino tahiti imuae Mari ino tahiti imuae Atia inia Mai te hitira o tera Atia inia Mai te hitira o tera Haere mua Aue Haere mua Aue
Talupeneiva Kutupene moleki ako Kai kele ako palotolona Asi mole no ai akutupelahia Taufisi fulu ola tua masefi fingo anataula Tua ni vai kia e matangi moya milia tukela kinikole Fulu pe Fakaaue Oe ngalo kine pai moa Bebe ako e mapipine Ne manako angena kaya ko Sikita nei e whakamangoa Fia manako kikisia ia koe Taufisi fulu ola tua masefi fingoa na taula Tua ingi mai kia e matangi moya milia tukela kilikoli Kulupe Fakaaue Oe ngalo kine pai moa
Been good ups and downs. Learned a lot, and yeah, appreciate it all. Fakaaue lahi. Hello, play out to everyone. First and foremost, I'd like to thank our Heavenly Father for bringing us all here today, for blessing each and every one of us, especially the girls in our group. It's been a tough year. That's my son right there. But yeah, firstly, I'd just like to thank Esa, because without her, this group wouldn't have been possible. So I've been with Esa, I think, for 5 years, and each year is a different experience, and it's been amazing. And I've met beautiful girls along the way, and I have had the opportunity to come and share this beautiful occasion with them. It would have been more beautiful if we were able to share it for the Constitution, but that was not to be, but that's okay. We were able to share our passion and our love for dance and the Niue culture with each and every one of you. Also, I'd like to thank Tama, our videographer, photographer, DJ, run around. If you guys know, you know Tama is our man. He may be going out with Esa, but he's got 4 extra girls with him. I'm pretty sure he can't wait for this whole thing to be over so we can just get out of his house and everything. But we appreciate you, Tama, and also to your family, to your mom, to your sisters, your brothers, just to everyone in Tama's family that's helped us throughout this year, getting everything and anything that we needed. We appreciate you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed our fully. So yeah. Also, thank you to my auntie and uncle, Oina Soti and Vinny Kololo. Thank you guys so much for welcoming me back into your guys' house. My dad over there closing his eyes. I'm pretty sure he had a bit too much. It's okay, we're nearly going home. But thank you for just being here, because I know you wanted to be somewhere else tonight. But yeah, just to end that, just thank you guys so much, each and every one of you, for just coming out tonight, enjoying our showcase. I hope that we are you alright there, sir? you need a water? But yeah, just I hope you remember us, and I hope there's some more entertainment to come for the future. But other than that, thank you guys so much. I hope you all get home safe. If you've had a few to drink, don't drink and drive. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your week. Fakaaue lahi.
Hi everybody. Hi Lisa. Me and the girls have been practicing almost this whole year in preparation for us to come and celebrate on this little island. It's been over 15 years since I've been home. And this trip has allowed me to answer questions that I've wondered about my whole life. I firstly want to thank Losana, Numa and Tao, as well as your whole family, for your support during this time, from opening your house to teaching us Maine, finding us a hole yesterday after they tried to rob us, and also just wearing our t-shirts. Thank you to Panga for everything. I'm grateful for you and all that you do for us, even the things that we don't see. I'm sure your ears from Esa. Thank you to my family in Mutalao for having me when I really needed you. cope, but I'm grateful that I had you guys with me. I'd also like to thank Yola and Kimbriella for wanting to join us here in Niue. And I'm so proud of you guys for your growth, not only as dancers but as girls. And thank you to my team. Woohoo! And I said this before, and I'm going to say it again. There's no other group that I'd rather do this with. I'm so glad that it's you guys that I got to come here with. To my nana and my papa, you two are my favorite people. And I cannot find you so I can spend time with you. And to you, Esa, thank you for everything. I cannot thank you enough, and I cannot explain how grateful I am. I've been with you 5 years as well. Thank you for coming back time and time again, always showing up for us, knowing what you want, and doing what you say you always will do. And I also lastly want to thank all my tupunas around me. I have felt your presence since I landed here, and I'm grateful to know your name. Thank you for looking after me here. My time in Niue is not over. I will be spending the rest of my trip with my family, doing whatever it is that true Niueans do. But thank you everybody for coming, and I hope you'd enjoy the show.
Tēnā koutou katoa, whakalopulahi atu. Thank you all for coming tonight. Thank you for watching us and waiting for us. I hope you've had a great kai. If you didn't know, we actually prepped that umu and it was great fun. Firstly, I would also like to say thank you to Panga and his family for looking after us here in Niue. If you didn't know, we're Tanga's girls. But yeah, his family is our family now, and we've had a great time here on the motu. For me personally, I am a first generation born in Aotearoa. I was raised with my Māori family, if you couldn't tell already. Esa, thank you so much. I started with Esa 3 years ago. I chose to join Tau Malolo Niue because I love kapahaka. If you couldn't tell, I've done kapahaka since I was 5, and I chose to connect to my culture through song and dance, and I wouldn't have been able to do that without Esa or my girls. I met them 3 years ago, and we've all grown together as dancers, and I'm really proud of us for how far we've come. Yeah, thank you to my girls. Thank you for showing me your guys' whenua, your land around the motu. It's really beautiful. I've enjoyed my time here. And I also just want to say thank yous all for your support. Ngā mihi, Fakaaue lahi.
It's for my group. Whakalofa lai atu. Again, I will be lastly speaking, and first of all, again, Fakaaue lahi mahaki for being here, staying late, and just we appreciate your support. No one told me to start this group 6 years ago. I saw a gap where there were a lot of our tauwhata Niue and New Zealand who weren't as connected to their culture, and I had the experience that I wanted to share with them. My childhood was full of wangahau Niue. Unfortunately, I'm not fluent, but I am learning. I just want to highlight each of these strong, independent, Afine, Niue, because they have been the rock through this group. Each of them holds a special talent, their special contribution to this group, and we wouldn't be the same without all 5 of us. Special mention to Iola and Ala. They have been amazing. Oh my goodness. Them and their parents. Fakaaue lahi for committing yourself to being with us with this experience. Obviously, there have been unfortunate events, but but we do not dwell on what we cannot control. What we do dwell on is what is for the future, and that is our group out of Niue waiting for us in New Zealand. And we'd like to give thanks to not only everyone here, but special mentions to for our nafa that we didn't perform with, but in our hearts it was performed with us. Api motutefua, if someone could collect for them to go.
Api?
Okay, so while we wait for someone to just collect this, sorry, hang in with this. Can we give I think it was an amazing performance. Can we give a big kalanga just so we can liven us up and then whanoke kaina. 3, 2, 1, shout! Chaka. There's a lot of things I am not saying right now, but please know in my heart it goes out to everyone. We'd like to the main thing for this experience and for my group was to make sure that they learned a bit more about themselves, their identity, and just Niue in general. We tried to give them as much things as we could, and that's what we did here. Hurry up, Esa, the longest time you hurry up. So we'd like to special thanks to Tanga and your family. They have done a lot for us, so Fakaaue for their all, for opening your hearts for all of us to learn, and just again, we are grateful and thankful for being here as well. They have provided this venue. Special mention, we'd like to say thank you for going lahi mahaki to Numa Sionho. Would you please come here? Yeah, we'd like to say thank you, Numa, to you. You have done a lot for us behind the scenes, and we appreciate you so much. So, Fakaaue. And would lastly like to thank, and a massive thank you to the one person who also was always in our corner, who provided our hihis, who connected us, who did everything they possibly can for us. Can you please pasi mai for Losana?
Thank you. Fakaaue ta ho. Fakaaue ke tau manga whaoa. Fakaaue matau ka pisinga.